This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing an editor that supports sequence presets. Once chosen, create a horizontal sequence like 1920 x 1080 so the canvas matches your target. Import the vertical clip and drop it on the timeline. Make sure the clip's frame rate and resolution are visible. Next, set the clip's scale and rotation controls so you can see how it maps to the new canvas. This first step gets you into the work quickly and avoids redoing export settings later. Once the clip is on the horizontal timeline, focus on reframing the subject. Scale up or crop to fill the 16:9 frame and use rotation only if needed to correct tilt. If gaps remain, duplicate the clip to a layer beneath, heavily blur it, and desaturate to create a cinematic side fill that preserves aspect without stretching. For moving subjects, add keyframes or enable motion tracking to keep the subject centered. This prevents awkward composition as the action shifts across the frame. You finish by exporting with a common delivery preset such as H.264 at 1020 Mbps for 1080p. Make sure export frame rate matches the source to avoid judder. Once rendered, view the file on your target device and inspect for black bars, letterboxing, or soft edges. If you see problems, reopen the project. Adjust sequence scale, replace the fill layer, or enable software upscaling/AI denoise. If tracking drifts, refine keyframes or increase track sampling to stabilize the subject.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.